Hey guys, how's it going? Well, welcome back to the channel, and today's video is going to be about installing this into my PC. So, I guess let's just get started. Okay, as you can see, I have my PC out. It's opened up, took the panel off, and it is pretty much laying down on its side on my kitchen counter. So the first thing I want to do is remove the old graphics card. So first, I'm gonna unhook this PCI Express cable. Maybe one-handed. Okay, there. All it is there's a little clamp there. Well, little push pin thing that holds it down. Just a little tricky to do with one hand. Then the next thing I want to do is take a Phillips head screwdriver, and there's a screw right there. And that pretty much holds your GPU in place. So, like doing everything one-handed. Okay, for the next part, this is probably the tricky part. Since I got this Cooler Master cooler here, there's actually a tab straight back. Can you see it? Oh, it's right there. And you have to push that over, which I'm gonna go to, well, it's pushed to the right. My favorite tool, butter knife. So, okay. And then when pretty much you push that over, it should release it. And there we go. I will give this back to my sister, and I think her husband was saying that they're going to build her a computer now. So, here's the new GPU. I already took it out of its bag. So let's set it here. Take this off. Then it also has little tabs in there for your display port and your HDMI stuff, so I'll worry about that once I start plugging all the cords back in. And pretty much all you gotta do is line it up. Okay, so all you gotta do is when you push it down, you'll hear like a little click, and that's pretty much it. So all you want to do now is put the screws back in the side over here. After doing this so many times with one hand, I should actually be pretty decent at this, which I'm not. I actually got an extra screw, so I'm going to put it in there at the top. I think it requires two, but who knows? I only had one in the last one. It seemed to work fine. It wasn't like my GPU was sagging or anything. So, there we go. Oh, yeah, one other thing. You gotta plug this PCI cable back in, so. Simple enough. So, as you can see here, my filter's dirty, so while you're messing around with your computer anyways, you might as well clean it if you can. So I'm gonna turn this upright and power it on, make sure everything is working properly. Okay, so I plugged in the power cord, and all I gotta do now is make sure everything powers up properly. So far it looks good. Look at all that fancy rainbow barf. Okay, as you can see, everything is back up and running properly. The only issue I had was actually with a program, and that was OBS, because it did not want to bring up my camera feed anymore for some reason. So I switched over to Streamlabs, and I actually get a better camera quality over here. So I will probably be using this in the future from now on. I guess other than that, the main purpose I got this new GPU was to get the RTX and pretty much have better gaming quality and experience. And also for streaming. I do stream on Twitch every now and then. If you want to follow me, the link is down below. And I guess other than that, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, you know where to leave them. I hope this video was informative to anyone who's going to be purchasing a GPU in the future and installing it themselves. It's a lot easier than it looks. So I guess other than that, thanks and bye.